Hi guys! Yan, alis kami today and pupunta kaming memorial since death anniversary ngayon ni Lolo Angelo. Ayan, so medyo maulan today since merong bagyong guring, but kung lalabas tayo, kailangan pa rin natin mag-sunscreen.
Ito mo yun.
Yan, I'm using Miss P Beauty Intense Premium Sunscreen. So meron na siyang SPF 50, very lightweight, non-greasy, and wala siyang white cast. So, meron siyang instant glass skin effect. Ayan, as you can see. And meron siyang niacinamide, guys. Niacinamide is nakahelp siyang maglighten yung dark spots na niya sa face. Ayan. Instant glow sa face. Ayan. So, it's 50 ml and FDA approved. So, kung naghanap kayo ng magandang sunscreen, yan, i-try nyo to. Pwede to sa 15 years old and above. Boy, girl, kahit sino pwedeng gumamit ng sunscreen. And hindi siya sticky, very lightweight. Ayan, lagyan nyo lang yung buong face nyo, including yung neck. Ayan, it's only 200 pesos, 50 ml na to. So, lalagay ko lang dyan yung link and yan, i-try nyo na siya kung naghahanap kayo ng sunscreen na very lightweight and at the same time maganda siya. Pwede siya sa sensitive skin, guys. So, yun lang. Bye!